testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, I'm scared it's true. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Shana. You know it's a girl Shana, of course. Welcome back. So today guys, guess what? So I got some new wigs. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So I got 2 new wigs, so I'm going to wash them today. So just stay with me. So guys, I got this one. This is a this is a 13x4 lace frontal deep wave 16-inch. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I love it. As I said, this is a 16-inch deep wave. So today I'm going to wash it. And then I got this one right here. So let me show you guys. So this one is a 4x4 lace bob wig 10-inch. This one is so nice. So I'm going to wash this as well. So like when I'm washing my 2 new wigs, I'm also going to wash this one. You guys remember this one when I bleached it. So I'm going to wash this one also. You know, it's well overdue, believe me. So yes guys, so just stay tuned and stay with me. So guys, we're gonna start off by washing this one for the 4x4 10-inch bob wig, lace wig. So I'm going to use this brand shampoo and conditioner, this brand right here. So yeah, so let's get right into that. So guys, gonna start off with my shampoo. So I'm gonna wet the hair. Yes guys, get it all. Alright, so you gotta, you know, wash it properly. Guys, you know what I should have done? Take out my elastic. I'm gonna take it out right now. Yeah, I'm removing this right now. So guys, I removed the band from the back. I'm just gonna, like, it's already wet with soap, so I'm just gonna like that and put it to, you know, dry. Don't want it too wet, you know what I'm saying guys? So yeah, so now I'm gonna get my comb, my big T comb, and go into it. Go right into it. So as you guys can see, this it come pre-bleached. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys, but it come pre-bleached and everything, so that's perfect for me. I love when it comes like this, so I don't have to do anything myself. So guys, now I'm going to rinse it out. I'm rinsing it, guys. So I'm going to give it one more shampoo. I'm going to give it one more shampoo, then we can condition after this one. So I'm going to go back in with my comb, sorry. So I'm going to use this brush. This brush is for detangling, which nothing is tangled, but I just like using it. So yes, now I'm going to rinse and then we're going to condition. Use the conditioner. So now guys, I've finished washing out the shampoo. So now going in with my conditioner. Don't want a lot. I'm going like that. Then I go in back with my brush. I say you don't want to use a lot of condition on it. Going back in with my brush, guys. So now I'm going to rinse. So guys, I finished rinsing out the conditioner out of my wig. So now I'm going to put it aside and start my other wig. So stay right there, don't go anywhere. So guys, we're going to wash our deep wave one now. The 13 by 4 16-inch deep wave. We're going to wash this one now. So I'm going to take out this because I don't want it to get wet, so I'm going to take it out from early. But before I take it out, it comes pre-bleach and everything. As you guys can see, I love when it comes like this because I don't have to do anything. So let's take this out. So I took it out. So now I'm going in with my shampoo, same one I'm using. Guys, I'm going to shampoo my hair, the deep wave. I'm going to wet it, get it all wet, go in with my shampoo. I'm going in with my shampoo. So I'm going to go for shampoo one more time. Let it go in. You have to go in properly on this one because of the curl. So it's mostly on like the top. So you have to go like this, go in. Because you know it's curly, so you have to go right in with it. Yes guys, so I'm going in. Make sure you go in properly. So yes guys, this is it. I went all in. So now I'm going to grab my comb and go through it like this. Oh, I love this here. It's given. Getting everything so you guys can see. So I'm combing it, you guys can see. So now I'm going to rinse it. So let's rinse out our deep wave hair. So guys, now I'm rinsing out my hair. So guys, I finished rinse out the shampoo. So now I'm going in for one more shampoo. So I'm going to shampoo it 2 times. So this is the second time now I'm shampooing it. So let's get into it, as I say, because it's curly. You gotta like get in to it. But it's so nice. I love it. Then we're going to go in again with our comb, our big T comb. So it's, yeah. So we're going to go in again with our comb. So yeah. Then we're going to rinse and then go in with our conditioner. So now we're going to rinse it out and then add our conditioner, as I said before. So guys, I finished washing out the shampoo. Now I'm going in with my conditioner, same brand. So too much conditioner in it. So yeah, so I'm going to do that right now, and then I'm going to go in with my comb again. And wow, so beautiful. I love it. So you guys be like wondering why I'm not like bleaching it and coloring it like the last one I did, remember? That was like, oh my god. But I decide I want to see how the full black look on me before, not really see how, but like I want to wear it for a while before I'm going to color it, like maybe. But I just want to wear the black for now, if you understand what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So wow, look at this. Nice. So now I'm going to rinse out the conditioner, and yeah, now I'm going to rinse it out. It's very nice, is it? It's given. Yes, given. Period. So now, as I said, I'm going to rinse it. Rinsing out the conditioner. out of the here. Guys, I finished rinsing out the conditioner out of it, so now I'm gonna put it down for it to dry. Yes, so let's move on to our next wig. You all know that one already, but it's time for it to wash, so let's wash it together. All right, so don't go anywhere, just sit down, relax, and watch if this really interests you. I'm gonna put this on this, rest it outside because it's a little breezy, a little windy, so that's good. So I'm gonna put it outside so it can help me a little bit. So I'm gonna do it like this. Do it like this and put it out there. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna change it off this one and put it on this one. Yeah, much better. So I'm gonna use this one for it instead. Yeah, much better. So guys, I'm gonna put it outside because, as I said, the wind is blowing. Yeah, so it can dry little faster. Help me. So change of plan. I didn't even see that it was raining outside, so I'm just gonna hang it behind me for a while. Yeah, pin this one, the 4x4 bob 10-inch. So I'm gonna put this one in the bathroom as well, over the eat, so cause I have to change it up, right? Cause rain is falling and I didn't even realize. So it's going right beside the curly one, right in there. So yeah, it's almost dry though. I've put those two that I've washed so far in the washroom over the vent, so it can dry a little faster. Yeah, help me to speed up the process of drying. So I don't have to do too much, but anyways. So now we're going in with this one. Who remember this one when I did this to I left it too long when I was like bleaching it? Who remember? That was like so funny. So now we're going to wash it. Like, it's well overdue for washing, I'm telling you guys. So I'm going in with my shampoo, same brand, everything. So now let's get right into it. So guys, now I'm getting shampoo, so I'm gonna wet my hair with it so it can take the stud of the shampoo. So I'm wetting my hair. Now I'm going in with it. Maybe we have to do this one, like shampoo this one 3 times, I'm telling you, because there's like a lot of products and stuff in this one. Let me show you guys. I think we have to go in 3 times on this one, guys. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, we have to go in more than 1 time. And this one. my guys, this is going to be a task to get this one. And I see a lot of products is in this, so it's all like kind of clumped up, not really, but let's go in with our detangler brush. So let's go in with this one. It really needed it. Ugh, it's just splashing. So going in with our brush. Oh, going in my eye. So now we're going to wash it out and shampoo it again. So let's wash. Oh my. Yeah. We have to definitely go in 3 times on this one, guys. I finished rinsing it out. Now we're going on our second shampoo. We're going in first for a second one. We're gonna get the lace perfect here. I don't want nothing on the lace, so we're going on now perfect. So I'm gonna just rest it right here like that, then go in like that. Then we're gonna turn it and go in again like. Then we're also going to go in with our brush again. Then we're going to use our comb as well. Let's see what I'm. Oh, you put it on the thing. Okay. So yeah. So now we're going to rinse it out and then go in with one more shampoo. Now we're going to rinse. Then after rinse it out, we're going in with our third shampoo. We're finished washing out the shampoo. So as I said, we're going in back with like our third shampoo. So we gotta get these parts properly. So I'm gonna wash it again, make sure I get right here properly. I don't know if it's the glue or the shampoo stuck between here. So let's see. So we're going to shampoo again and go in with it. So we're going to brush it and also comb it. Let's see right here. So I'm going to do the same for here. Here. press it there like that, then go in again for the back. So it feels much better. It's not that stiff anymore. It's much better. So now I'm going to brush it and comb it and rinse it, and then we go in with our conditioner. So yeah. So now we're going to rinse it. Look much better, guys. So much better. So now it's rinsing time. Finish rinsing out the shampoo. Now we're going in with our conditioner now. So we're using this, the same brand, and I showed you before. So as I said, don't put too much conditioner in it. Then after this, after we finish rinsing out the conditioner, we're going to reconditioner. So now the conditioner is all in. Now we're going to brush it. I'm going to brush it. Make sure you have one of these brushes because they're like really helpful in when you have your hair like clumped up or it's stiff or anything like that. I like to use this brush. It really helps a lot. So I recommend you guys get one of these brushes. One of these brushes, I should say. Yeah. So now I'm going to rinse it out. Looking perfect. Yes. So now guys, I'm going to rinse out the conditioner out of it. Rinsing out my conditioner. So now I'm going to dry it. So yeah. Hot. So guys, now I'm going to dry my hair. So I'm gonna get my blow dryer. But I'm not gonna dry this one with the blow dryers yet. I'm going to hook it like the rest for it to dry meantime. So I'm going to dry the first one, the first bob one, and yeah. Now I'm going to hang it where the rest of the ears, the rest of the wigs are. Yeah. So I'm going to rest it in there and then get the bob one, the first one that we did, and blow dry that one and style it. So let's go. Guys, now I got my wig, so I'm going to put it on this head, the mannequin hair here, and I'm going to plug in my blow dryer, and I also have my flat iron too. So let's start off by blow drying over here. 3 of these pins right here to tack it down. So let's get in. So put it on here. Okay, let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna tack the front. So I tack the 3 part with 3 right here. So now I'm going in with blow drying it, but I'm not finished yet. But when I'm finished, I'm going in with my flat iron to iron it out. So I maybe only like dry this one only, because this is the one that I want to wear tomorrow. So maybe I just do this one and leave the rest to like dry on their own, because I don't really need to wear the other ones right now. So maybe I dry those on tomorrow or some other day. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish dry this one, then as I said, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and iron it out. So stay tuned. But it's almost there, it's not that wet, so thank God for that. I'm finished blow drying the hair, so it's fully dried, it's well dried. Now I'm going to flat iron it, so stay tuned for that. Oh, I need a spongy to catch it when I'm ironing it. So I'm going to flat iron it now, so stay tuned. Guys, I parted it like this to flat iron it, so I'm going with my spongy to catch it. You can use a grab clip if you want, but I prefer to use a spongy, is better for me. Okay, so now I'm going to comb it out like this. So I know it's there. Then I'm going to go in with my iron. So maybe I will like go like this to do it better, because it's kind of moving. So I'm gonna go like put it between my legs and do it. So yeah, so I'm gonna split the hair in 2 down here, and then go in with my iron now. Yes, guys. So when I finish ironing it, I will show you guys the end result. So guys, I'm almost finished. So guys, finished flat iron the hair. So this is the end result.
You want ginger mint? Green?
So yes, guys. So guys, I'm going to try and install this wig. Well, my auntie is going to help me, so stay tuned. Let me see them brush it in. Because I'm brushing it all the, because my hair is already been. Okay. I'm going to put my ear. Ears like that. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to do the next one. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to cut it along the line here. So my auntie is going to help me cut it. So stay tuned. Guys, I sprayed this as my wig. I don't have a brush with me right now, so I'm gonna use like a napkin and rub it in. Guys, now we're gonna I'm going to make it sit there for a while before I remove it. So guys, now I'm going to cut it into 3. So stay tuned to see this part. See guys, it's perfect. So guys, now we're gonna cut from here now. So guys, there you go. Now I'm going to get some of this on my finger like that, and then I'm going to go in and melt my lace with it. Hold on. Nice. So yes. Then I'm going to add back my band on it and let it sit there for a while. And there I go. So I removed it. Now I'm gonna take some off. This guy don't have no makeup, so I'm gonna put some on my hair and add to these spots right here. And that's how you do a quick install. So yes, I add some of this right there. So now I'm going in with my brush to brush it like that. So that's how I do a quick install, like when I don't have time to like iron it down and you know, stuff like that. So this is how I do it. So you know, yeah. And the part is okay for me because as I said, this is how you do a quick install when you have to go, you know, when you're on the move and don't have time to do the whole thing. So yeah, this is the finishing product. So yeah. So maybe I'd be like catch it up like that. I don't know how I'm gonna style it as yet, but this is how. Maybe I just leave it down. I like it down. Or maybe I do it to the back. I'm not sure yet how I want it. But as this is a quick install, so I'm off to where I'm going because I don't have time. So that's how you do a quick install. You don't have to do the, you know, all that. As I was saying, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to subscribe to the Sweet Life of Shanna. Love you guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you guys, and thank you for all the new subscribers, and and thank you for all who subscribe and still here with me. Thank you for thank you for staying on this journey with me. I appreciate you guys and thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Bye. Love you guys. Peace. So guys, I went back in with my headband to melt my lace a little more. So yeah. So I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes, I should say, and yes, then we're finished and we're off to do our rounds on the road.